So I just received these from RollingSquare, a Swiss company that deals with mobile phone accessories. As I mentioned in the previous video, that they have a very nice packaging that is eco-friendly. So these are all using recycled material and can be recycled and biodegradable, obviously, because these are all made of cardboard. And they sent me the in-charge cables. These are the charging cables, and Tau, which is the battery backup for your phone. And here's Tau, the battery backup. So you can put this on your keychain, so you always have an emergency battery power backup. And once you get home, you just dock this to the docking side. Boom, that's it. Just magnetically dock and charging the battery as soon as you get home. This way, there's no excuse for you to forget carrying the rechargeable battery and at the same time charging the battery every time you go home from work. It's very light and it's not meant to charge your phone fully, but it is meant to be used again as an emergency backup battery system, which is highly commendable. With other battery system, you need to bring your own cable, but no, it comes with its own. So you have the lightning connector over here, and this side is the USB-C connector. This way you don't have to bring cables wherever you go, you just have this. Genius! You can choose to use this double tape to tape this unit to here, and then you stuck this to the wall if you want to, or you can use the notches over there to screw it onto your wall. I would not use either. I will just use this as a docking station. And it's really powerful magnet as well, because see, it does not fall out. This is an ingenious solution and approach to emergency backup battery that's ever created thus far. And now it's time for me to go back to the RollingSquare.com website to buy another Tau, something that I should have ordered when I ordered the first one. After all, it's only 30 bucks. What am I thinking? Well, I hope this video helps. Thank you very much for watching. Click like, share, and subscribe, and goodbye.